Hey everyone, today we'll explore Crawlee. Maybe you have a question why we'll use Crawlee because we have a lot of other tools for web scraping. So answer of this question that some characteristics that make it different from other web scraping tools. As we know, traditional way mostly doesn't work to fetch any website for scraping because it's getting blocked. So for this situation, we'll need to advanced web scraping tool that include multiple characteristics. There's a first characteristic Crawlee which makes it different from other fingerprint. It will rotate auto fingerprint. You will not need to manually change any fingerprint. It will automatically rotate and fetch website for web scraping. And second interesting feature of Crawlee that's your favorite tool available as an extension of Crawlee like BeautifulSoup, Playwright, Puppeteer, and Fox, which is known as a most undetectable browser. Autoscaling is the most interesting feature because if you wanna apply it to yourself, it will take a lot of time. It's include retry mechanism. It will retry on getting failed and also concurrence. That means if you have a multiple links of same website and you want to grab them, concurrency is a built-in feature of Crawlee. If you wanna fetch multiple product on a single time, it will take a lot of time. But in Crawlee, it will fetch in a parallel. You can define number of thread into your code. I'll show you here.
I'll show you all. And maybe
Here's a crawler for trust point. That's a page. I'll provide this link with the page number. That's a one. It will go and firstly scrap all the 20 links and then provide another browser which will be fetched in parallel. Here another feature which will be useful in case of paid proxy. As you know, residential proxy are expensive, so we'll need to avoid irrelevant data. That's a feature load in our website. So we'll block here and I'll start here test for trust point. We request for first page. And then we can see here in a quest queue, there are 20 requests. It's also in a parallel. You can define here a minimum and maximum concurrency number. And here you can get your result. It's a name, URL, category and address. There's a way to grab result in a minimum time. It's fetched approximately 12 in a 60 seconds. I put just a one page. You can scrap more than your result. I hope you understand why Crawlee is important.